Welcome back, everyone. What an amazing day in markets with such a large amount of tradability. We are in volatile times, and I'm coming to you live today in this video with a very special invite to a class tomorrow. It's going to start at 10 a.m., and it's going to teach you the rules using these tools on how I have turned volatility into opportunity. Now, nothing's perfect, but as you can see over here on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, I was doing a little bit of day trading today, able to gross about $300. Now, past performance is not indicative of future performance and nor track record. And what you are seeing here is, again, one contract trading. When you see yesterday's action, about $475, I'm well on my way in less than 2 days to pay for my WealthCharts membership. And quite frankly, it's a steal for this tool and set of strategies that are incredibly powerful, developed by 33-time real money on-site trading champion Rob Hoffman, the only one that we know of. And he's been able to take his decades of experience, compile them into easy to understand strategies that I'm going to be taking you through tomorrow. I'm going to be combining them with the immense power of the power scanner. Now, this is one of the favorite tools on WealthCharts for our entire student family. Why? Because it gives you the ability to identify and evaluate where exactly the opportunities are and when to trigger that trade. I'm actually scanning real life futures right now, as you can see, the S&P E-minis, and I have the ability to immediately come in and understand at what part of the sequence of Champion Trend Pack signals. Now, the Champion Trend Pack suite of tools developed by Rob has a specific rhythm to it, a sequence that is something that we can utilize for triggering trades in between stages and on completion of stages. There are 3 stages, and they involve the Champion Cross, the Champion Trend, Wealth Signal, Range Breaker, and the Breakout Forecaster. And what we're going to be doing is utilizing these powerful tools and scanners to identify tradable opportunities that are high probability for both day and swing traders live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And I'm going to show you in a very straightforward step-by-step methodology. And it's really 3 big steps that we'll walk through. And those are the 3 steps that I utilize to come in and identify where the opportunity for the trades in the futures market were, and with little time available, still able to come in and take on some trades and gross $300. Yesterday, the exact same type of application. Take the scanner, take the multi-time frame approach, identify the optimal entry area, and use the rules that the tools come with. We've got 3 stages, and once stage 3 is over, we've got a very clear idea of what likely happens next. Now, we're going to take all of these powerful thoughts in a market that's going to be getting big inflation data tomorrow, as well as a big bond auction in the afternoon, a 10-year, and the Eurozone's interest rate statement, the monetary policy statement on a Thursday morning. And we're also going to get more inflation data on Thursday morning, the producer prices. This is a jam-packed week where volatility is clearly present, especially with the wild moves we saw today, on the way down, on the way back up, and of course settling closer to the up. We know that markets like these can be challenging. It is exactly why I'm doing this class, to help those that are learning or want to optimize and get better at how they make decisions in markets. Well, tomorrow's class, starting at 10, simply go to the link in the email, get your seat now, make sure you're situated. It's not a recorded class. It's at 10 a.m. Eastern Time that we start. And I'm going to be using the time that we have together to pour out in a straightforward manner and 3 big simple steps how to use these toolkits on an extremely powerful platform to find, to evaluate, and then to execute higher probability trades. We'll be breaking down some of the day trades that you saw me gross just under $800 on over the last couple of days, which has put me well on my way to pay for my WealthCharts membership. And we're just scratching the surface there. I can't wait to see you tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Again, it's not a recorded session, so it is a do not miss, especially for markets like these. I'm going to make it extraordinarily fruitful for you, and I hope to see you there. Have an incredible rest of your day, and what better time to be doing this than on big inflation data breaking days like tomorrow. See you there. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks for being the best student family in the world. Bye for now.